Users of the Huntron Access Prober know that on occasion you will experience bad contact between the probe tip and the board under test. In most cases, the cause is minor contamination that can easily be cleaned off with a little alcohol. Alcohol can also be used to lightly soften certain types of conformal coatings, making them easier to penetrate. Users who test conformal-coated PCBs are probably more aware of contact issues because the coating needs to be penetrated by the probe to make contact and provide a tracker signature. This video is to show you a few ways to help you deal with open circuit signatures caused by conformal coating. Choice of spring probe can be important when testing conformal-coated PCBs. Most crown or needle probes can penetrate thin, pliable coatings. When thicker coatings are used, then a needle probe with a high spring force usually works best. The probe Huntron supplies for testing through conformal coating uses a very sharp, high spring force needle from QA Technologies. It is effective for most pliable conformal coatings. It is not intended to be used on uncoated PCBs. The first thing you can do to help probe conformal coated boards is to enable the open check type to recheck. Do this before you start your test development by setting the component level default in the Tools Options window to recheck. Set the open recheck depth to its highest value of 48 mils or 1,219 microns. This can also be set for individual components in the Tree Pane Components tab. When the test is run and an open signature is detected, the probe will lower the open recheck depth distance and recapture a signature. In many cases, the lower probe position is enough to penetrate the conformal coating. The other setting for open check type is reprobe. When reprobe is selected, the probe will raise and lower several times and then try to capture the signature. The idea is that by probing the same spot several times, you will eventually get through the coating. This method can be effective but should be used only when other steps fail. The reprobe mode can be hard on the equipment, the PCB, and cause the probe to wear prematurely. When Huntron Workstation detects open circuit signatures, they will automatically be sorted to the top of the troublesheet display. This makes it easier for you to see and fix the open signatures. If you are testing in multiple ranges, set your scale so you can see all of the signatures for a pin. Right-click in a signature box to display the menu. Select Reprobe Pin Signatures at the top of the menu. The prober will place the probe on the selected pin and rescan the signatures in each range. The new signatures will be displayed in blue. A pop-up message will ask if you want to replace the original signatures. In this case, we answer yes because the rescan provided the correct signatures. Another option in the signature box right-click menu is Reprobe Opens. Before using this selection, select the signature scale to display as many pins as possible. Select Reprobe Opens, and the prober will go to each open pin, rescan the signatures, and replace the original ones. In the same right-click menu, you can select Real Time, which is useful if you only need to recapture one range at a time. The probe will stay on the selected pin and resample signatures until you move your cursor away from the signature box. This provides you the opportunity to give the probe a little assistance in getting through the conformal coating. A light tap on the side of the probe holder may help the probe tip make contact. If you get the signature you need, right-click and select Replace Signature. Once you have examined and fixed all of the open signatures in your troublesheet, click the Update button to recompare and resort all of the signatures. Any open signatures will be sorted to the top in case you missed them previously. If you continue to have issues penetrating the conformal coating on a PCB, then you may need to investigate tools used to remove the coating. An internet search of conformal coating removal should provide the information you need. With a little work and perseverance, you can get your Huntron Access prober to successfully penetrate conformal coatings on circuit cards. For more information, visit our website at huntron.com. Thank you for watching.